Good morning, everybody. This is fantastic. That's fine. You can all say good morning back. Make me feel comfortable. I love it. No, it is absolutely fantastic to be here today. It's the wonderful British Library. The minute you walk through the doors here, I feel automatically inspired. And today was no exception. A buzz in the throng of so much networking and exciting times ahead. So, really enriching. Today is the 4th annual Startup Day, and it's our second as a partner of the library and its network of business and IP centres. I think you're all agreed, and I certainly am, today will be a really inspiring, thought-provoking and informative day. And it also marks the beginning of our three-year partnership with the British Library, supporting UK SMEs at all stages of growth. So I'm absolutely thrilled for this partnership with the British Library. But today, the event here in London is one of just 50 startup events taking place right across the UK, from Glasgow to Devon, right across the British Library, Business and IP Centre National Network, regional libraries, and of course, London libraries. And we're also running a number of events across our own branch network, supporting businesses with workshops, marketplace opportunities to showcase their products and services, as well as signposting the really rich and valuable resources of the library. Also, for the very first time, we're supporting 3 events in Northern Ireland, so a very warm welcome to everybody from across the UK. So we're all here today at the start of one of what will be the most rewarding and at times challenging things you'll ever do, starting your own business. To quote the library's own Democratising Entrepreneurship report, I'm so pleased I managed to get that out. Small businesses are the driving force of the UK economy. They are the largest employers, with a record number of new business starting every day, and 10% of the working age population being self-employed. That's quite an exceptional thing to place on the shoulders of everyone here. But the fact that you're here today is a sign that you're ready to embark on that journey. So you might find this quite a strange or odd thing for me to say, but when we started working with the British Library, I just didn't really understand the level of support that was available through the Business and IP Centre. It really was quite fascinating to understand what was there and available. And it really got me reflecting on our business, Santander Business, and where we've been on our startup journey. Launching in the UK in 2017, while admittedly the scale of what we do is very different, the characteristics entrepreneurs talk to me and many of my team about every single day about their journey is very, very similar and made me resonate. And some of those skills and experiences I really want to share with you, and some of the things I've learned along the way in a little bit more detail. So the first thing, I guess, that's really required when setting up a new business or a new venture is passion. When you're starting a business, it's vital, absolutely vital, to have some genuine intrigue about your chosen business area. To naturally perform at your best, you've got to be inspired. Your passion should permeate around you, assisting you in overcoming any difficult times ahead, and be one of the key drivers of your success. Without being truly passionate about the why behind starting a business, it will be excruciatingly challenging to remain focused. And this is one of the main root causes why so many entrepreneurs cease trading within the first 12 months. As important as it is, it's not just the drive to make money, it's the passion to solve a problem. and meet the needs of others that can really drive your ideas forward. The second area, which I think is vitally important, is being able to think outside the box. It can really be incredibly easy to have a myopic attitude and struggle to identify potential drawbacks and flaws within your business plan. Successful businesses, regardless of their size, have extensive commercial awareness and seek continuous improvement for all aspects of their business. Don't be afraid to seek independent advice from peers, mentors, and industry experts. Look at industry ideas, academic journals, complete a SWOT analysis, reading company financial statements, or simply mystery shopping the competition. Be really curious. Ask for, learn from, continuous feedback. It's so valuable as it'll help to evolve and shape your ideas. Now, the third one, I can say without question, this is one of the most important ingredients you will need when starting up a business, and that's resilience. I think we can all agree with that one. So here's the deal. Everybody, and I mean everybody, experience setbacks. From sole traders to PLCs, you should use all your experiences, positive or negative, as a learning opportunity to build the foundation of knowledge to overcome barriers in the future. The business world we live in today is vastly different of that even just 5 years ago. Technology, regulation, and consumer demand is evolving at a faster rate than ever before. And by demonstrating resilience, you'll be able to embrace change and stand out in the market for all the right reasons. Don't see challenges as an insurmountable barrier. Find a way, and I mean find a way to kick them out the way. So you have the passion, you're thinking outside the box, you've developed that hard, steely core of resilience. You have to have a vision. When you first start your business, you're the only one that has absolute belief in the idea. No matter how much your friends and family and everyone around you says they get it, you're the one that has that relentless belief. But you'll quickly find out that people want to join you on your journey. And while passion plays a part in this, it's your ability to share a vision that will win others over. Having a vision helps you develop that laser focus to see your ideas through to fruition. When you don't have a track record at the beginning, having a vision will help convince others, maybe even to invest in you. Your vision will be the thing that will help you build a team and help you find the right mentors and advocates. Incredibly important. I can truly say that these characteristics, many more, but these ones in particular, I've had to find in myself and the team around me to help drive the growth of our business. And all of you share these. But these characteristics are just some of what goes into having that truly entrepreneurial mindset. And while they're all essential ingredients, how to find support and resources that help channel your energy in the right places. So that's why events like today are vitally important and play such an important role. Now, as I said a bit earlier, I have to admit, and I'll say it again, when I first heard about our involvement with the British Library, I wasn't quite sure what we were going to do with that relationship. Rightly or wrongly, I had an old, outdated idea of what the library network was all about. The breadth of business support that is available through our libraries is second to none. It's absolutely phenomenal. Our libraries can provide us with such a wealth of resources, knowledge, and expert advice that just wasn't visible, well, certainly not to me. But as soon as we began speaking to the team here and their colleagues right across the country, we absolutely knew that we'd found an organisation that can help turn your ideas, your passion, and your vision into reality. An organisation that truly shares our ambition of helping people and businesses to prosper. And we all know that startups have a much greater chance of success if they receive the right support at the right time. And our challenge is to deliver that support in a way that adds up to true value in the startup community. As a bank, we take this responsibility incredibly seriously. And as part of this, we look at other ways of providing much needed support to SMEs outside of the day-to-day banking and lending facilities that you would expect us to provide. We provide you with the tools and the opportunities you'll need to fast-track your business. Our unique, and if you haven't heard about it, you certainly will by the time you leave, our Santander Breakthrough Programme has supported SMEs beyond finance since 2012. And what does that mean? Well, we provide a wide range of support aimed at businesses to support your growth journey. So whether you have a germ of an idea today, or you've come along to freshen up your business skills, you can talk to any one of our team who really want to help you. We know through working with founders like yourself that at some point during your growth journey, you'll need more support and guidance or knowledge, and we want to be with you every single step of the way. Of course, fantastic support is not the only thing that we can do as a bank. That's why we started to support the work of the British Library. As with all new relationships, well, it started quite tentatively. We wanted to get to know each other a little bit. But by speaking to colleagues right across the country, it's absolutely crystal clear. What we're doing is making a difference to founders like each and every one of you. And I wanted to share a story of core yoga founder Germaine Willan, based in Hull. When we first met Germaine, she was giving up her secondary school teaching career to become a yoga instructor, which actually happens to be one of my dreams. She had a true passion for what she wanted to do, but she didn't have a business plan. She didn't have a website or any social media presence. And when you first start out in business, it's really difficult to get your head around the things that sometimes you just don't know what you need and who, more importantly, who you can turn to give you help and support. But after talking to one of our business relationship managers, he referred her to her local BIPC for support. Our collaboration delivered true holistic support to Germaine. Through it, she ended up with a robust business plan, social media accounts, the right insurance for her business, a business account, and a reader for her to take payments at classes at her local gym, all vitally important to get her set up. And that wraparound support gave her a business an excellent start, helped her find a way forward. So she needed to know what was the next thing to focus on. The challenges Germaine will continue to face will be finding new customers, developing new services, taking her yoga classes to other parts of the city, perhaps employing other instructors, are all challenges you might come across as you start and grow your business. So no matter what size your business is, always make the most of the resources and support available to you. Whether that's speaking with others who've been there and done it, or reading industry papers, or as I said earlier, just going out and checking out the competition. The resources you can make the difference between successful or not. And this, I haven't shared any stats so far in my speech, but there's 3 stats I'm going to share now that I think are really standouts. Recent figures released by the British Library have revealed that its 12 base business and IP centres have helped to create an average of 15 new businesses every working day since 2016. That's phenomenal. But even more impressive is that 90% of these businesses are still trading after 3 years. Still trading, comparing favourably to the national figure of 90%. Those are truly standout results. And that success is down to the volume and quality of help they can help provide you. So today and throughout the day, you'll have access to experienced entrepreneurs and experts who will share their insight into important topics, such as starting up a business on a shoestring, building effective online marketing strategies, and using networks to build your business. Invaluable, absolutely invaluable support to get you started. Many of our relationship team are here today, so please seek them out because they are ready to have a fantastic conversation with you. So please enjoy the day, make new connections. You've already been doing that, so a great start, everybody. And leave with a plethora of knowledge and some great ideas on how you can drive your business forward and be truly successful. Thank you.